was just a little bit sketchy. Well, here's another project. It's a Craftsman T110. It's been sitting for a minute. I don't actually know what year it is. We'll figure that out come later in the video. It's got a 42-inch deck. It's a Briggs & Stratton motor, I'm pretty sure. Craftsman Briggs & Stratton 17.5 horsepower, 500cc motor. I think it has an external filter as well. Nope. So this is not an externally lubricated or pressurized lubrication system. Cheaper mower. I mean, I think I looked this up online. It's $2,000, brand new. So it's not crazy. Battery has been replaced at some point, so it's not new. New by all means. Tires look pretty good. That front left one, geez, lighting. This one has been replaced or just never was used correctly because it has all the nibs on it. It's actually not even the right one because it's a different style tire. But it is manual PTO, manual deck height, forward reverse, hydro, I think. I actually don't know how this works. Oh man, your lighting is sucking right now. So I think you shoot it into forward and it will go forward, and this is your speed control. Or maybe this is your speed you're not even looking. This is your speed control, I think. So, I can't find an hour meter anywhere on it. So I don't know if there is one. All I know is they said they had issue with the front end, which it had a flat tire when I got it. I aired it up because it took 2 seconds to do before I rolled. And I wanted to get a fun little intro rolling it off the trailer. So, with that, we will go power wash this thing and then get into... Ooh, also, I'm going to put the battery in the charger because I'm pretty sure it's not going to come back. But you don't need to watch me do that. We'll get it out and get the power washer out and go power wash this thing off. Get it all nice and clean because I think the paint's going to turn out pretty nice based off of this little rub spot right there. So, yeah, just been neglected a little bit. But we'll bring it back to life. I'm pretty sure we will. So, be back. Let's see what a little bit of a degreaser and water pressure will do to this thing. How well it's really nice. The jack's nice, algae and broke, eating away, gone. Yeah, brand new, hopefully, we'll see. Okay, I hope so, because this thing's gonna be nice. That's why it's leaking down a little bit, so we'll have to press that force, but not a little line can't fix. Or tire sealing, I would call it. And I find the product number is 2018 model year. And it does, it was released in 2018, so not that old, 5 years old yet. It's gonna work out like then. I'm hoping. Sometimes there's stuff just not really old. So it's already running your stuff back and stuff, which is crazy to think, but it is something that doesn't happen right actually. So I'm really trying to fast forward now. The rest of our power wash get loud. Well, when I was power washing it, I noticed the wheel went flat. And, well, I'm trying to figure out why it went flat. And in order to do that, I have to remove off this cotter pin, which only looks to have one little, yeah, someone's been in there. Alright, that wheel's off. Let's go in there and see why this tire is leaking like a sieve and won't hold air. So, alright, first off, we have to get this tire to seat its bead, which was harder to do earlier. I wonder if it's gonna... No. Not gonna be easy for me, is it? Never is. Never is easy. Try to seat that back bead. And then gently push down on this here. Dang it. Aside from just old, where's the base? That's the trick to it. PSI. Now let's see, here's my soap. Where's it leaking from? Is it a bead leak? No, not a bead leak. Is it in the treads? Now why was this leaking? Why did it all of a sudden lose all of its air? Clearly they replaced the tire and that didn't fix it. Maybe it's the valve core failing? I don't know. What I'm doing is I have some sprayed in there in the middle of this where the rim is welded. And I'm trying to see if I see a bubble or two. because I do not hear a leak, nor do I see a bubbly leak. Not even if I mess with the valve stem. I know you're not supposed to put 30 PSI in here, but I'm hoping to exaggerate that leak and find it this way. That pinhole, that small tiny leak. Well, ain't that be damning all crazy. Can't find the leak. I think we'll put it back on the tractor, a mower, and we'll continue on to the next thing, which I think will be just basically putting the battery in it and seeing if it'll start the thing. The battery is from 522, so I think it'll come back to life, but we'll see. Bring it back when you need to. Alrighty. So I disconnected the safety switch. Jeez, I can't speak today. And I connected my jump pack because there's no way I can get jump cables on this without the seat in the way. Well guys, that's it for this video. I don't think I'm gonna have to show it mowing because I just don't, I mean, it's basically like a brand new mower. Like, I seriously think this thing has less than 100 hours on it because it cleaned up so nicely. And I think right now I am gonna go in and get some dinner. My lovely wife has cooked me some dinner. So I'm gonna call it quits for the night. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for having fun and hanging out and coming to tinker with this little thing. Even though this project wasn't really much to it, it was more of just power washing it. So, I mean, I like those projects. Those are nice and easy returns. Especially since this is probably going to be given to a buddy of mine who has gone with me numerous times on hunts for projects, and I'm very grateful for all his help, and I think it's going to go to him. So this will be a perfect mower for him since his yard isn't big, and it's just going to be a nice and easy one. So thank you guys for joining. If you don't mind, like, comment, leave a comment, say what you thought of this. Just give me an opinion on it. I also, if you don't mind, if you feel like this channel or this video deserves it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. This is a quicker video than normal, so I hope you guys find it more interesting. If so, I'm going to try to really cut my videos down in size. I think this one's going to be about 15 minutes long, if not shorter. So thank you for joining me.